Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all my viewers are fine. So guys, in this collection you see the amazing ideas for the Easter celebration and Easter decoration ideas, candle decoration ideas, how to decorate your table with the beautiful style of the Easter. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and watch my videos on daily basis. Guys, love to my channel, like to my channel, share to my YouTube channel. One of the best collection, one of the best ideas related to the Easter spring season. So guys, keep watching my ideas. Thank you so much guys to watch my video till the end. And if you love my channel, you have to utilize your time in the best channel. So thank you.